So what you're seeing here is the Skyron chest freezer, 200 liters. Now, when you hear that a chest freezer is 200 liters or a refrigerator is 200 liters, they are trying to tell you the capacity, the content of things it can take. So you know the size of 50 liters. You've seen a 50 liters gallon before. So when they tell you something is 200 liters, you can just, in your head, you put the 50 liters into 4 places. It's giving you the idea of the capacity of that 200 liters chest freezer. So this one you're seeing here is a 200 liters chest freezer. As you can see, it's boldly written there. So this particular chest freezer is very good. It refrigerates very fast. It's the finishing, it's also very, very nice. It doesn't make noise. It's very lovely. So for those that need chest freezer, we also have bigger sizes, but this one is just the 200 liters. This is just an average one that is okay for your home, for somebody that already have family. You understand? But even though you don't have family, you want to go for something big, you can send us a DM.